Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can fix Black Ops 7 do not launch. So as you can see here, now I press play button and game is not launching, and what it does, simply it will go back on the green play button without game launching. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see here, nothing is happening. So what you need to do here, you just need to write on search run, and then here you need to write %local app data %. Look for Activision folder here, and then you just need to delete this particular folder. Then go to Steam or the client where you have Call of Duty, and then you just need to right click on it, go to properties, installed files, browse. And on browse, you need to look for COD exe. If you don't see exe, you just need to press on view, show, and manage file name extensions. Right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility, and make sure nothing is selected here. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and after you restart your computer, hit play. And now the game should work. As you can see here, we need to wait for a couple of seconds until the game boot up. And yeah, as you can see, now the game is booting up. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.